Hello friends, today we are going to learn about that how we can make a research paper using Overleaf. Alright, so let's go. So first of all you need to find the template that you can use for the research paper. For example, let's say I want to make a research paper that I want to submit to this journal. This is one of the journal from Science Direct. So I will go to that page and then find for the guide for authors, because mainly on every journal there is something like this. So I'm going to guide for authors and then I'm simply searching for the LaTeX. There you will for surely find something for your help. So I found that LaTeX template is available over here. I am simply downloading it. It is here, and then I need to move to my overleaf, and then I need to go on the new project, existing project, select a zip, because I need to upload the zip file that I have downloaded from the journal page. Basically what you need to do, you have to search for the template for that, for which journal you want to upload your paper. This needs to be decided at first of all, otherwise you can make it generic and then later on you can convert, but it will take time. So first of all decide the journal, download the respective template and then upload it as zip. So I'm clicking on it and then this was the file that I have already downloaded. Open, it will get uploaded. All right, so this is the page that whichever file you have downloaded. So you will see that here is the name of the file. We can rename it as I am renaming it as Himanshi because it's my name. And then you can see the whole page. If you want to share, you can share it from here. You can invite any email from here, or you can generate the links. Basically it will look like this, and then you can click it on turn on link sharing, and then you will get these links, and then hence you can go further with the copy and simply WhatsApp your friends that you, if you want to do the editing with any of your friend, or if you want any of your friend to view the project. All right, this was very important. Then all of the files are available here. You can see that this is the file tree. Here you can search anything, and there are so many things. Explore yourself. It will be a good thing. Now what you can see that we are having so many files over here. Look for the text file. I have renamed it to my manuscript. You can rename it to anything whatever you want to do. So you can see that this is my file, and here I will suggest that make a folder for images. This is I guess it's a very good thing to do. Now in this folder you can add any image by upload. Let me select any image from somewhere. For example, I'm having this image that I have upload that I am already having. I have uploaded it. Now I can use this particular image in my text. You are having multiple tabs over here. One more thing, very, very, very important. I have already done that, but you should also do this. What I do like personally is to use the bibliography like this. So you can see I've changed this code already. So bibliography code that was already there, change that, and have a bib file. I have created it by using this new file and rename it as reference.bib. It will be appear here, and then simply go to chat gpt. Tell your chat gpt that you are using this file. Let's say control c, control v, and then simply tell that I want to write here. Simply write, I want to use reference.bib, give me code. It will give you. So then I will get this as the response. So okay, it is working. So I already copied this. Now in this ref file I have kept the name ref. Open this. Here I have already copied some of the papers. You can go to Google Scholar, it's my profile. You can go to any paper, go to the basically that link where we can see these data. Click on site, click on BibTeX, Control C, copy this, and on the reference.bib, paste this. This text is very important. Control C, go to the main text and write anything. For example, let's say I want to have a new section. Okay, I'll go to this again. Let's say we are going to have related work here. Simply write and we are giving some text. And then Control Z. I want to cite something. So slash cite and then whatever references bib text you have added, the ID will be copied here and then simply Control S. So it is written in section related work. Then you can see that this content appears here and then you can see the reference here. Okay, one more thing. Let me go this way that you should always know your file. So read that you're making this kind of file. If you're going to do something extra in your paper, because hence you have to add the use package. If we are making a table, we need to use some use package for that, because we are having various types of tables as well. We are having a few of the functionalities for figures as well. So we need to add. Sometimes what happened, you have done the coding, that code is not running for the LaTeX, and then might be a possibility that you need to use the respective use package. So take care of this. Then journal name, okay, my document begin, front matters and everything. This is the title you need to give. You will see this title over here. Then you will give the detail over here. So let's say Himanshi. This will be my organization detail to which I am affiliated, and you can add one more affiliation also. So simply Control C and Control V, and you will see the data over here on the PDF. Here you can write the abstract code. You will then write the keywords. If I am having any keyword, let's say hello, hi, Control S. I have done the Control S. You can see that it will be reflected over here. All right. Then I need to add some sections. I have written intro. You can simply write it very beautifully. Introduction. Then if you want any new sections later on, you can simply write the next section. If you want any subsections like the subheading, you can simply write subsection. If you need one more subsection, you can write subsection. So that is how in this you can write the content, Control S, and then you will see that same content reflected on the other page. You can see that the subheading is not bold. So for section, you need to write slash section. For the subsection, you need to write the slash subsection, and the heading will be here. So you will have the content over here. So this is how you can add the sections. Now know your document first of all. Then we are going in the last. If you want to add any appendix to it, for example, we are having any appendix. If your journal says to add any appendix or any sections, you can add in the last. For example, if you need to add any acknowledgement or anything for that may go here. Then bibliography, what kind of bibliography style you want to use. I have explicitly used it because I want my reference.bib. I want to keep it on the other page. So this I need to copy, and this will be the term which I will use in the where is my main file? Here I'm going to use this as the site. I can write it over here. So you can see that this is how your paper will be beautifully seen. Let me show you some of the example that I have already created. You can see, for example, let's say I'm creating this paper. This is my other paper. Recompile it, it will get. So you can see that it is a Procedia computer science. So what I have done, I have downloaded the template and then I have added more information to it. So you can see that I have used so many use package because I wanted some functionalities to be added in this. And then you can see that journal name is here. This is something which is added for the author name. Then you can see that my document is started from here. This will be, there will be my title, there will be my author's name, there will be the author's affiliation. I have written a abstract over here. Then you can see my keywords are written over here. There are some more information. And then you can see, okay, this is one more kind of way to write the paper, that I can have multiple sections and then I'm not writing the detail in this document. What I'll do, I'll say slash input sections. So what I'm having a section folder over here, and then for the introduction, it is the same file name. You can see. So my introduction content will go here. If I am having, let me go to the main file. This is my main file. I can rename it. Let me do this manuscript. All right, so you can see for related work I have used this file. You can see this is available in this sections folder that I have explicitly added. This is my related work. All right, so I have written the content. You can see that I have wrote slash site. Now let me see if I'm having any image in this. So I'll show you that how to write the data for the image. I will say simply use ChatGPT. If you want to add any image, simply give the name and the path. As you can see, I'm having figure 1 over here in the images. Simply write that I want to add this image in my LaTeX file. You must know what caption you want to write. Otherwise, AI will simply help you. And then simply say that I want to include this figure. Simply give me the code. And just copy from the ChatGPT and paste it here. It is very simple. This is very important. This T, it says that place it on the top. There you can use capital H. It will be explicitly here at this position on my document. I want this figure to be. I don't suggest to use this. If you want to use, please use. You can write small h. It is saying that it is suggested to place this image here. HTBP. We are having 4 things. Google that. These are all very nice things to learn, and these are few of the things which will help you in the formatting as well. So this is how you can add the image. All right. If you want to include any equation, simply get the code for the LaTeX and write it here, and it will be reflected here. For every equation, I need to write the corresponding code, and then you know that you need to include so many images as well. So for example, for this image I have added this. I'll change it to small h. I feel that this is the best parameter to use in the image. All right, so this is how you can make your paper. I guess this is the best way. So try it yourself. If you're having any doubt, you can write me a comment. I'll give you the solution. All right, thank you everyone. Happy learning everyone.